and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Government calls meeting of mine stakeholders on Friday. Extends deadline of suggestions on draft mining policy till 10th October. Cabinet approves Lokayukta rules. Jayanti Natarajan says Parrikar is fooling people of Goa. Union Ministry of Environment and Forests to suspend environment clearances of all mines in the state. IDC takes stringent measures to control irregularities in plot allotment. IDC to hike rates by almost 100 to 200%. Show cause notice to firms keeping plots unutilized. Experience of Surinder Amarnath can take Goan cricketers to the next level. Former India cricketers set to fine-tune Ranji players. And stage set for varsity football finals. Dempe College to take on Don Bosco College of Engineering. St. Xavier's and Father Agnel crash out in semi-finals. Now the news in detail. Government has called a meeting of mine stakeholders on Friday. Government has extended the deadline for suggestions on draft mining policy till 10th October. Chief Minister also informed that government is working out financial package for mines closure affected people. The ore traders will now have to submit their stock details to Mines Department by 21st September. Cabinet has also approved Lokayukta rules.
Buffer zone select करपाक जी task force अपॉइंट केला तांची 15 सप्टेंबराक जो तारीख सोंपताली ती 31 ऑक्टोबरा पर्यंत एक्सटेंड केल्ली आसा. Suggestion of public period has been extended up to 10th of October. The government is preparing to take measures including financial to mitigate the problem. In order to carry out framework on this, a meeting of the stakeholder is being called. For this purpose of making the decision easy, government has also started exercise of registering the names of owners, their amount of loan outstanding, the financial institute from the truck owners and barge owners. This exercise will probably start immediately after the Ganesh Chaturthi festival is over. Simultaneously, a financial package is being worked out so that no one need to fear any suicides. I won't allow that to happen.
थंय वचून आमच्यो टिमी वतल्यो 21 तारखे नंतर इन्स्पेक्ट करतले. मायज मॅन कळटा ±5% पर्यंत एक्युरेट तांकां कॅल्क्युलेशनच्यो मेथडी आसा. तातूंतल्यान तांकां कळटा कितलो स्टॉक आहा तो. तितल्या पर्यंत तांकां ट्रान्सपोर्ट परमिट्स मेळटली. Once 21st is over, no one can make a fresh claim that he has got a stocked material. Probably by 30th or 1st or 2nd of October, we will start issuing them permits for transporting of this transport material. ते ताजी एक 2-4 दिसा भितर ताजें notification येतलें with committees formation. Maybe by Monday it will come. In that, they will specify the time frame and all that. So समजा तांच्यांनी Monday notification issue केलें जाल्यार maybe within a week's time they should start filing. As they file, we can start taking, once the Chaturthi is over, we can start taking up the, where they find prima facie, everything is proper, they will give the checklist. Checklist दितले आमी. ते checklistan tick करून दिल्ले समजा तांकां दिसता. जाल्यार त्यो केसी पयलीं घेतले ते, check करतले whether documents are valid, and they will go ahead to that.
Now Lokayukta rules are notified. The required staff has been already approved. The place for operation of Lokayukta has been recently taken in possession. It will have its office at Old Ribandar Hospital exercise for selection for Lokayukta has been initiated from today, and I expect I'm trying to do it by 30th so that I can recommend to the High Court.
एक्झॅक्टली डबल केलें. सरपंच जेका आज पर्यंत 2000 रुपया मेळटाले ताचे 4000 केल्यात. डेप्युटी सरपंच 1750 मेळटाले ताचे 3500 केल्यात. पंच आनी कोऑपटेड पंच हांकां 1500 मेळटाले ताचे 3000 केल्यात. त्याच बरोबर जिल्हा पंचायतीचे अध्यक्ष जेका 6000 मेळटाले ताचे 12000 जाल्यात. उपाध्यक्षाक 5500 मेळटाले ताचे 11000 जाल्यात. आनी जिल्हा पंचायत मेंबर जेका 5000 मेळटाले ताका 10000 जाल्यात. हो पगार 1 एप्रिल 2012 पासून लागू जाला. ह्या पगाराक लागून 3,32 crores हेचो अतिरिक्त भार सरकारचेर आयला.
A reporter from Panji Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Omkar Fayari.
Union Minister Jayanti Natarajan has claimed that Chief Minister Parrikar is fooling people by shutting the mines. She says the action is not as per the laws. She also informed that Union Ministry will suspend environment clearances of all mines in the state. MOEF has issued notices to 50 dump owners against moving dumps.
Without even reference to the Shah Commission, if anybody has been found guilty, if anybody is found guilty, please rest assured that we will see that stringent action is taken and that the law takes its course and that they are punished according to law. The Chief Minister of Goa has issued an order which is a complete whitewash of the entire issue, which is a fraud upon the people of Goa and the people of the country. In that order, he suspends the working of 93 mines under no act. He doesn't talk about under which act. It is a whitewash. It is an attempt to befool the people of Goa and the people of the country into thinking that he's taking some action. And it is nothing but a kind of a political vendetta, political witch hunt of his political rivals where they have done no wrong whatsoever. If it is illegal mining, then the ore should be confiscated. It should not be allowed to be traded. Why should he allow the trading and benefit those who have taken advantage of illegal mining if it is so? And if the Shah Commission and if the Chief Minister himself says that these are illegal mines, as Environment Minister, I hereby suspend all environment clearances, and unless we are convinced that the environment clearances were not obtained on the basis of false information on which we depend the state government to supply the information and our own officers to verify, those licenses will not be renewed. And I have also issued an order yesterday. My officers have issued show cause notice to all the 50 owners of dumps to show cause why those dumps should not be closed. We had written, and we as and when we got information, 8 mines out of these 93, 8 have already been closed by my ministry, even before he did anything. I am saying that my colleagues are innocent. This is a political witch hunt. But the law will take its course. Whoever is found guilty will be punished. No, I'm talking about what your Chief Minister is saying about filing FIRs. I'm talking about that. And I would like to state categorically that there is no scam. The CAG has found nothing. And if the BJP will not allow us to speak in Parliament, we will come to you in your homes. We will come to every state and we will explain the stand of the Congress. We will explain the coal blocks that have been allotted by the BJP, and we will show you that we have nothing to hide, that we have followed the law, and that law will take its course.
A senior reporter from Panji Lokayukta with video journalist Devendra Gavkar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.